Welcome to Basic English. In today's episode, I have a new phrase for you. Stranded. Do you know what does it mean? Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it in our daily conversation. Stranded, which basically means you are stuck somewhere and you have no way to go anywhere. অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি অসহায় অবস্থায় কোনো জায়গায় আটকে পড়া. Let's look at some example for better understanding. Example 1. He stranded in the middle of his speech. Example 2. As my fuel was over, I was stranded in the middle of highway. Example 3. We got stranded at the city center after we missed the last bus. Example 4. A ship got stranded along the shore. The last one we have. We ended up stranded in Paris with no money.